Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having some TGI Fridays. I already have my order here with me and I am so excited to start eating because it looks good, it smells good. So let's just go ahead and set everything up. We have a burger, we have some ribs, we have chicken wings. So I am so excited to start digging in. First thing we have here is the burger, and I ordered the loaded cheese fry burger. And she is so gorgeous, look at her. It has some bacon, some cheese, some pickles, some onions, and of course the fries, as you can see. It is so pretty. And it comes with some fries on the side. And then the next thing we have is some ribs with some wings, and I'm so freaking excited for this. Ooh, let me see. This is the first time ordering their ribs. Looks so freaking good. I cannot wait to freaking eat this. I ordered barbecue wings and it does come with fries here at the bottom. Looks so delicious. The last thing I have here is the spinach and artichoke dip, which is their appetizer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything up so that you guys can see everything. Alrighty you guys, hopefully you can see everything out clearly. Everything smells so delicious. Let's just go ahead and get started with the appetizer. And here is the dip. I'm gonna take a little tortilla. So freaking good. Woo. You cannot go wrong with the artichoke dip as an appetizer. It is so delicious. Yum. So freaking good. If you guys go to the TGI Fridays website and you sign up for their loyalty, you get a free appetizer. So I got this completely free. It costs like $10 and some change, but when you sign up they give you a code and you could use it online or in the restaurant. So definitely if you guys go to TGI, sign up for their loyalty program. And they send you the email. It's actually not an email, but it's like an offer that shows on the website. So get yourself some free appetizer. It doesn't just have to be like the chips. It could be any appetizer as long as you order an entree. So check it out if you guys stop by TGI Fridays. So you can save yourself some coins. They also have like a free dessert. So just pretend it's like your birthday, put it's your birthday when you sign up, and you also get a free dessert option that you can choose from. When I went to TGI's, the server was so friendly. She just told me to do 2 separate orders since you can only use 1 coupon at a time. So I used both, but like she split the checks, if you know what I mean. It was so delicious. So good. Let me put my sleeves up. So good. Since the burger is big, it kind of hurts your jaw. It kind of hurts your jaw after you chew it for a long time. Woo, but that was good. Jesus. Okay, these ribs, I have been dreaming about these ribs. I've been like craving ribs, and I'm like, let me just get some ribs, because I hardly get like ribs on my channel. I actually never gotten ribs on my channel, so I'm like, let me just get some ribs. Whew. Delicious. Ooh. So good. Ooh, I think I got the whiskey glaze because they give you like 2 different options. And that was delicious. Ooh. As you guys can see, I have new seat covers. Let me know what you guys think. I ordered these like 2 months ago. And at first I was like, I'm just gonna return it because it's like taking too long. But after I put it on, like, I cannot return these. Like, I actually really like them. And the quality is actually surprisingly good coming from overseas. Let me know what you guys think. Are we liking them? I have like this little pillow here that I bought from Amazon. But so far, I'm pretty much done with like buying stuff for my car. I'm gonna make a TikTok, like a before and after. But I was just waiting for these seat covers to come in. Ooh, delicious. Let's go for some wings right here. Some of their barbecue wings. So yummy. So I don't know if any of you are into true crime, but they're coming out with this series on Lisa Lam on Netflix, and I am so excited to watch it. It comes out on February 10th, and it's like a 10 episode series, but I am so excited to watch it. I don't know if you guys are into that. I was watching on YouTube about Emma Jane Walker, and it literally broke my heart. It was so heartbroken just hearing about the case. It's basically about a 16-year-old girl who was dating this guy, and he was a complete psycho. He talked about committing suicide if she left him, and she faked his kidnapping, and like he was those type of psychotic guys. And at the end, she ended up not wanting to be with him anymore, and she was you know, she broke up with him and she was moving on with her life. And one night he had his grandfather's gun and he went to her house and shot her through the walls of her bedroom. Like, that is so freaking heartbreaking. It's so sad because she was taking the right steps. Like, she was leaving him and, you know, she was completely done with him. And this guy just comes and does this. Like, it is so freaking heartbreaking. I can't imagine what her parents are dealing with still now. For anyone who knows about Elisa Lam, tell me that you guys aren't scared to go on elevators after watching like her case, her story. I I'm literally terrified of going into elevators in hotels or even in apartment buildings. I am terrified. Like, that's all that comes to mind after I get in an elevator. Some of these cases are so traumatizing. Okay, let me finish off here. Like I said, if you guys go to TGI Fridays, sign up for their loyalty and get a free appetizer and save yourself some coins, and you could choose from different appetizers. But everything was so good, you guys. I'm ready to go home now and take a nice nap. I'm going to be saving everything for later. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you had anything to say with me, let me know what you had down below in the comment box. Leave me any suggestions down below, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.